Welcome back, user. Today I'm going to show you how to update or correct the basic student profile like the name of the student, gender, date of birth, aadhaar number, and the name of the student which is shown as per aadhaar. So this basic profile detail of the student is restricted in this year for entry, but in order to make any changes, if any correction required for those particular student, this process that I'm going to demonstrate you will help you to enable and make it correction for any student basic detail. For this, schools has to submit the detail where they want to make the basic change of the student detail in their form S03. Remember S03 form in my previous tutorial video where schools need to submit to the concerned block or the district Samagra Shiksha office in order to make any changes or corrections on the student basic detail. Now for updating the basic detail of the student from the S03 form, the access has been given to state and district login only. From this user only you will be able to make these changes. Now for demonstrating this, I'm going to log in with one of the district user ID of the particular district so that we can demonstrate you how this process is going to be. In the dashboard, you have to select academic year 23-24. Now you'll see the admin panel. On the topmost, you click the admin panel. Then in the bottom tab, there is a student demographic update module. In this module, you will be able to update the demographic detail of any student. Click go. Then in the search box, they will ask you for the student pen number. Remember, what is this pen number? In the site note, you will see that pen number is a permanent education number. This has been assigned by the software itself since 2020 22-23. Those students which has already been entered, they are going to assign one unique education number, that is a permanent education number. So this number will be help in tracking the student in the student database management system. And please remember that students which are enrolled in the current academic year only can be updated using this module. If they are in the previous academic year, you will not be able to update those students. But you have to complete the promotion activity of student in order to get it updated. For instance, previous students which are promoted to 23-24 academic year can be updated using this module. But the Dropbox student cannot be updated from this module. So you please remember this. Let me go with one student pen number. Now below you'll able to see one particular basic detail of one student. On the left side there is student name, then classes. This shows that the student has promotion activity has not completed, so the class is not shown here. Then gender male, then date of birth, aadhaar number. In any of these basic detail, if you need any correction, suppose I want to make this correction in the name itself, so I'll just select the student name, then this field will be enabled for you to enter the correct student name. Then let me try to update student data not form. Okay, So this show that the student has not complete the promotion activity. So you have to, this is a previous year student. So like the option given here, previous student. So you have to complete the promotion activity of this particular student. Then only you can come back to this module and update in the same way and same process. So this is the procedure how to update student demographic, like gender also, date of birth, or aadhaar number if you want to make changes. And this is given access only to state and a district level user. So until this, thank you. Kublai Shibun Mitila.